I can't tell her. I can't even begin. She's never going to forgive me. And I missed a year. Was it good?
Middling.
It's so useless.
Well, if it's this much trouble, are you going to stay here now?
I don't know. I can't do that to her again, though.
Well, she's not coming with us.
No chance.
I don't do families.
She slapped you.
900 years of time and space, and I've never been slapped by someone's mother.
Your face.
It hurts.
You're so gay. When you say 900 years,
That's my age.
you're 900 years old.
Yeah.
My mum was right. That is one hell of an age gap. Every conversation with you just goes mental. There's no one else I can talk to. I've seen all that stuff up there, the size of it, and I can't say a word. Aliens and spaceships and things. I'm the only person on planet Earth who knows they exist. Oh, it's just not fair.